Kamiti ya mwanya ya ataaramu a githomo kuma ruhonge rwa Department for Post Training Skills and Development hĩndĩ ya kwarĩra mĩtaratara ya gũteithĩrĩria arutwo kuonjorithia na taranda ũndũ ũmwe na kothi cia moko gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
We are providing mentors, people who have also same talents elsewhere and they have succeeded. And we believe these mentors, when they speak to our youth and share their experiences with them, then the youth will also see and also will have that interest to use their talents.
Enable the youth to commercialize their talents. We want them to be able to identify, to develop their talents, create a business out of their talent, protect that talent using the intellectual property rights, market it, brand it, and earn a living. In short, we want them to create self-employment out of their talents. The Kenya Youth Development Policy had actually identified and they had noted that the youth have a lot of potential. They didn't give statistics, but they said that the potential out there is huge and it needs to be tapped so that they can earn a living or a livelihood out of this talent. So it is actually the youth policy that identified this.
Kuringana na mwandiki mukaru wa kamiti ĩno ndagĩtarĩ wa Njirũ Kariuki augĩte mũbango ũyũ nĩ wambĩrĩirie rĩu magĩthura mũrutwo ũmwe kuma kũrĩ o kaunti nĩguo kũigĩrĩra mũtaratara ũyũ gabiro-inĩ.
We wanted to start it as a pilot. That's why we said let's have at least one youth from every county. So we are expecting about 50 youth. One from each county and perhaps 2 from the cities. So in total we are expecting 50. And we want these youth to be trained on how to commercialize their talent, and number 2, to go and become champions in the counties so that they can go and train others and cascade the training to the other youth in the counties. So they are not only being trained for themselves, but they are being trained as champions to go out in the counties and train others.
Wanjirũ nĩ ongereire kuuga atĩ bata mũnene nĩ gũtigĩrĩra arutwo nĩ meyandĩka mawĩra handũ ha gweterera mawĩra ma kwandĩkwo.
And the rationale behind this is that we want the youth to stop becoming job seekers and become job creators. Because for a long time, there's been a mentality that let's go out and look for jobs. And the formal sector is not creating jobs. So they need to learn how to change their attitude from job seeking to job creating. And so we are hoping that they'll be networked by the time they leave this training.
That's what it's going to do a lot in terms of unemployment, because when our youths are trained how to use their own talents to create employment, it's going to be very important, because the youths now will start creating jobs. They will start businesses, they will employ others, and therefore this program is going to assist them.
Mwena-inĩ wake mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa kamĩtĩ ĩno ndagĩtarĩ Meshek Opora augĩte marĩ na mũbango wa gũkinyĩra ayuthi nginya ikĩro cia icigo mbunge nĩguo kũnina kaima na thĩna wa wagi wa mawĩra gatagatĩ ka mbeũ njĩthĩ.
47 is one person per every county, but at the end, maybe for next financial year, the number is going to increase. It's going to be a huge number, and we want to reach not just counties, but to go to sub-counties and going up to the low level.
Handũ-inĩ ha Wega TV njĩtagwo Kamau wa Gĩthĩnji.